When and how to use being. Have you ever heard sentences like, "Thank you for being here," or "He is being rude," and then wondered, why do we use being instead of be? If the word being confuses you, don't worry. In this lesson, you'll learn exactly when and how to use being in English. By the end of this video, you'll be able to use it naturally and confidently. Let's get started. What is being? First, let's understand what being is. Being is the ing form of the verb be. Look at these forms. Be, am, is, are, was, were, been, being. So being equals be plus int. Now the question is, when do we use it? There are several common situations. Let's learn them one by one. Situation 1. After prepositions. This is one of the most common uses of being. When the verb be comes after a preposition, we usually use being. Structure. Preposition plus being plus complement. Examples. Thank you for being here. Here, the preposition is for. After for, we use being. Not, thank you for being here, but thank you for being here. Another example. She apologized for being late, meaning she said sorry because she was late. Another example. I am happy about being part of this team, meaning I am happy because I am a member of this team. More examples. Thank you for being honest. Sorry for being noisy. He was punished for being careless. She was praised for being helpful. Notice that being is often followed by an adjective, a noun, and an expression. Situation 2. To describe temporary behavior. This use is very important. Sometimes we want to describe someone's behavior at a particular moment. In this case, we use structure. Subject plus am, is, are plus being plus adjective. Examples. He is being rude. This means, right now, he is acting rudely. Maybe he is usually polite, but at this moment he is rude. Let's compare. He is rude. This means being rude is part of his personality. He is being rude. This means his behavior right now is rude. See the difference? One describes character. The other describes temporary behavior. More examples. You are being selfish, meaning you are acting selfishly right now. The children are being noisy, meaning the children are making a lot of noise right now. She is being very helpful today, meaning today she is acting in a helpful way. Common adjectives used with being. Rude, selfish, kind, helpful, silly, noisy, polite, and careless. Situation 3. In the passive continuous. This is another common use. When an action is happening to someone or something right now, we may use present continuous passive structure. Am, is, are plus being plus past participle. Past continuous passive structure. Was, where plus being plus past participle. Examples: the house is being painted, meaning someone is painting the house right now. The road is being repaired, meaning workers are repairing the road right now. The food is being prepared, meaning someone is preparing the food now. Past examples: the building was being renovated last year, meaning renovation was in progress at that time. The problem was being discussed when I arrived, meaning people were discussing it at that moment. This structure is called the passive continuous. Situation 4. After certain expressions. We often use being after expressions that describe feelings or reactions. Examples: I appreciate your being honest, meaning I appreciate the fact that you are honest. We enjoyed being together, meaning we enjoyed spending time together. She likes being a teacher, meaning she likes her role as a teacher. He hates being ignored, meaning he dislikes it when people ignore him. More examples: I love being with my family. She enjoys being independent. They like being part of the group. He dislikes being criticized. Situation 5. Being plus noun. We can use being before a noun. Examples: being a teacher is rewarding, meaning the role of a teacher is rewarding. Being a parent is not easy, meaning the job of a parent is not easy. Being a good friend takes effort, meaning to be a good friend requires effort. Here, being means the state of being something. Common mistakes. Let's look at some mistakes learners often make. Mistake 1. Incorrect, thank you for being here. Correct, thank you for being here. Mistake 2. Incorrect, he is rude today, when you mean temporary behavior. Correct, he is being rude today. Mistake 3. The house is painted right now, action in progress. The house is being painted right now. Quick review. Use being. 1. After prepositions. Thank you for being here. Sorry for being late. 2. For temporary behavior. He is being rude. You are being selfish. 3. In passive continuous sentences, the house is being painted. The road is being repaired. 4. After certain expressions, I enjoy being a teacher. She likes being independent. 5. Before nouns to describe a role or state, being a parent is challenging. Being a good friend is important. Conclusion. So remember, being is simply the ing form of be. We commonly use it 1. After prepositions. 2. For temporary behavior. 3. In passive continuous structures. 4. After certain expressions. 5. And before nouns to describe a role or state. The more examples you read and listen to, the more natural being will become. Now try making your own sentences using being in the comments. Thanks for being here, and I'll see you in the next lesson.